If you've submitted your FAFSA and want to know what's going on with it, checking the status online is really straightforward. Start by opening your browser and typing Check FAFSA Status into the search bar. Look for the official site. It'll say Federal Student Aid and should end with .gov domain. Click on that one. Once the site loads, find the login option and sign into your student aid account. You'll need your FSA ID. That can be your email, phone number or username, plus your password. After logging in, look for a section called My Activity. If you've already started or submitted a FAFSA form, you'll see its current status listed right there. There are a few different statuses you might see. If it says draft, that means you started the application but haven't finished your part yet. In progress means you've completed your section and signed it, but it hasn't been fully submitted. In review shows that it was submitted but is still being processed. If you see action required, you'll need to go back in, maybe to add a missing signature or fix something. If it says processed, then you're all set and nothing else is needed. And if it says closed, that means the form was never submitted before the deadline. Now, if you mailed in a paper FAFSA form, you'll have to wait about a week or so after mailing it before you can check the status online. That's all you need to do. Just log in, go to My Activity, and you'll know exactly where your application stands. Thanks for watching.